Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this toenail design. I'm going to start and show you the smaller toes first. So of course there is not a lot that we can do on them with them being so tiny. I'm going to start with a black striper. Next to that line we just did, we're going to use a silver holo and do a second line. Next you're going to need a small dotting tool and some black polish. Moving on now to the big toenail, we're going to start with a black striper and do 2 lines. Next, with a dotting tool, we're going to do a row of dots on the outside lines. Lastly, down the centre of the black lines that we did, we're going to place this silver holo.